It's Monday 24th February, and the markets faced sharp declines, tracking weak global cues and profit booking. Broader markets also struggled, with more than twice as many stocks declining as advancing. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty ended down by 242 points at 22,553, while the Sensex dropped 856 points to close at 74,454. Market breadth remained negative, with 2,802 stocks declining and only 1,220 advancing. Most sectors faced selling pressure, with IT, metal, and telecom indices falling 1.5 to 2%, while auto, pharma, and FMCG stocks showed resilience. M&M, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp, and Nestle India emerged as the top gainers, providing some support to the market. On the flip side, IT stocks dragged the indices lower, with Wipro, HCL Technologies, TCS, and Infosys leading the decline. Tata Steel also struggled, adding to the day's losses. The rupee ended nearly flat at 86.6950 against the US dollar, with down by dollar demand from oil companies and continued foreign investor outflows. Despite opening stronger, the currency lost momentum as equity market weakness added pressure. Euler Motors has partnered with Tata Power Renewables to enhance EV charging infrastructure, offering fast chargers for its customers. Under this collaboration, Tata Power will install, operate, and maintain the charging stations, while Euler Motors provides rent-free spaces. Customers will receive smart cards for seamless access to the charging network. Tesla's entry into India has rattled domestic automakers, with stocks like Mahindra and Tata Motors facing pressure. While initial market reactions suggest panic, analysts argue the concerns are overblown. Instead of a major disruption, Tesla's presence could accelerate the premiumization of India's auto sector and drive EV ecosystem growth. The broader markets underperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 declined 0.94%, while the Small-Cap 100 slipped 1.02%. This downturn reflects cautious sentiment in mid- and small-cap stocks, signaling profit booking and weaker market participation. Gold held steady at $2,943 an ounce after touching a record high of $2,954.69 last week. A weaker US dollar and safe haven demand amid trade war concerns support prices, while investors await the PCE inflation data for cues on the Fed's rate outlook. Traders now eye the $3,000 mark as a key resistance level. Bijasan Exploticas IPO saw a 73% subscription on its second day, with strong demand from institutional investors. QIBs led the charge, subscribing 1.5 times, while retail investors and NIIs subscribed at 51% and 35%, respectively. PSU bank stocks have plunged up to 34% in the past year, raising concerns about their future. Investors are shifting focus to private banks amid weak net interest margins and declining deposit market share. The Nifty PSU Bank Index has fallen 9% YTD, significantly underperforming private banks. Experts suggest caution, citing NPA concerns, slower credit growth, and rising competition. In January 2025, 26.12% of equity mutual funds outperformed their benchmarks, driven by strong small-cap performance. Large-cap funds saw no outperformance, while equity AUM declined 3.83% to 24.85 lakh rupees crore. Top SIP has delivered over 15% annual returns. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.